Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to program STM32 microcontroller boards using the Arduino IDE software. Before we begin, make sure you have the necessary components. For this project, you'll need an STM32F103C8T6 blue pill board, an ST-Link V2 programmer, and several female-to-female jumper wires. Of course, you can use any other STM32-based MC boards. On the software side, two programs must be installed beforehand. The first is Arduino IDE, a user-friendly platform for programming. Due to its support for various hardware and a wide range of libraries, it is popular among both beginners and professionals. You can download it from the Arduino website. The second program is STM32 Cube Programmer. This software acts as a bridge between programming tools and STM32 microcontroller-based boards. Since Arduino IDE alone cannot communicate directly with these microcontrollers, installing this program is essential. You can download it from the official STM website. Links to download both programs are provided in the video description. Once both programs are installed, follow these steps to enable Arduino IDE to work with STM32 boards and program them via ST-Link programmers. First, open Arduino IDE. Go to File and click on Preferences. In the window that opens, click the button next to Additional Boards Manager URLs. Copy the link provided in the description and paste it here. Then click OK to close the windows. Now go to Tools, select Board, and click on Boards Manager. In the search bar, type STM32 and install STM32 MCU-based boards by clicking the Install button. This process may take some time depending on your computer and internet speed. Once completed, your software environment is ready. If you have worked with Arduino IDE before, you know that before clicking the Upload button to program a microcontroller, you must specify its type and model under Tools and Board. For STM32-based boards, first, select the series, and then the specific microcontroller or development board. In this case, select the STM32F103C8T6 microcontroller used in the blue pill board from the F1 series. Finally, set your programmer by going to Tools and then Upload method and choose STM32 Cube Programmer, or SWD. With this, the software setup is complete. Now connect your programmer to the blue pill board. Depending on your programmer, connect the SWDIO, SWCLK, VCC, and GND pins accordingly. The exact names of the pins may vary by programmer, but make sure to connect them based on their function. When using the ST-Link for programming, the state of the boot pins does not matter. However, if you intend to program it via the serial method, you need to set the boot 0 jumper, the upper jumper, to high, and the boot 1 jumper to low. Open a simple code like Blink from File, Examples, and then Basics. With the settings already configured, just click the Upload button. Remember, the LED pin on this board is PC13. If everything is done correctly, the program will upload to your microcontroller, and after resetting it, the LED on the board will start blinking. If you face any issues, check two things. First, open Device Manager. Windows usually downloads and installs the ST-Link driver automatically, but if this doesn't happen, you can manually download and install it from the link provided in the description. Second, ensure your ST-Link programmer firmware is up to date. ST Microelectronics regularly provides updates for their ST-Link programmers. If the firmware version of your programmer is older than the STM32 Cube Programmer software, it won't be able to communicate with the microcontroller. Keep in mind that some microcontrollers are counterfeit and have different ID codes. Unfortunately, these cannot be programmed using Arduino IDE. To address this, you need to use Platform IO software. Add this line to the Platform IO.ini file and include the microcontroller IDE at the end. You can find a guide for installing Platform I/O in the tutorial link provided in the description. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. By programming STM microcontrollers with Arduino IDE, you gain access to an extensive library and ready-to-use codes, making it easier to work with these microcontrollers.